Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha and today's video is a what I eat in a day video, or what we eat in a day. So it's me and Carter, and basically I received a lot of DMs asking me what I eat or what's my diet to keep my body looking so fit and blah blah blah. And this is the thing, guys, I don't follow any diet. Like, I'm not strict at all, and I don't restrict myself from eating anything. So if I'm craving McDonald's or Burger King or KFC or whatever it is, a burger, a wrap, sushi, whatever, I will just go and buy it. I'm not restricting myself of anything. But what works for me very good is the balance that I keep in my diet. And the balance is that I really love eating healthy. Like, for me, it's just who I am. Like, if you give me some simple chicken fillet and some baked potatoes and some veggies, I will be so glad. And that's the thing, I be craving like the most healthy things to eat, so that is like a plus for me. So that's what we eat on a daily basis at home, like just healthy things and just homemade dinner and homemade lunch and stuff like that. And then when I'm craving something sweet or some fast food or something that is less healthy, I can just eat it easily without a problem. So everything is about balance, guys, and please do some workouts at home, like some abs, some rope jumping, go running outside or something. Or if you can't run, if you're not fit enough, just go for a walk. Like, every single little bit that you do is going to help. Look for yourself what works for you. Pay attention to your diet, like pay attention what you're eating and how your body responds to it. Just pay attention to your body. If you're eating something, for example, and you feel bloated, or you don't feel well, or your stomach hurts, or I don't know, just pay attention to those little details, and I promise your body is going to tell you what is good and what is not good. But anyways, guys, I'm not gonna talk too much in this intro. I'm just gonna show you guys what I eat, and I will do a voiceover for this video, and I will put the ingredients on screen as well. I will keep making these videos now and then, like what to eat on the go, what to take with you for work and stuff like that, because I do work and I do take my breakfast and lunch with me. So I will show you guys in this journey what I eat and what I don't eat, and how I make like a balance for myself. But with no further ado, I'm just gonna shut up and let you watch what I eat in a day. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, press that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I'm gonna use some whole bread, brown bread, for my toast, and I'm going to just add some coconut oil, and I'm gonna spread this as it was butter, and this is going to help to crunch your toast a little bit more and give it that perfect color. I'm gonna cut one avocado and then smash it. I'm gonna add some chili explosion and some Himalayan salt. For my French toast, I'm gonna use 1 egg, some cinnamon, and I really don't use measurements. some vanilla aroma, some milk. I'm using cow milk here, just some regular whole milk, and just whisk together. Oh yeah, my toast was definitely burning. I'm gonna add some butter in the pan, and I'm gonna put the slice of bread in the mixture for the French toast and let it soak, and then add it to the pan. Just bake for a couple of minutes and flip it, and I'm doing this with 2 slices. For my avocado toast, I'm gonna put my avocado on top of my bread. I'm gonna fry 1 egg, and I'm not gonna fry it hard. And yes, this didn't go so well, but you get the idea. For my coffee, I'm adding some water, sugar, caramel syrup, and coffee. I again don't use measurements, but it's just 1 part of coffee and 1 part of sugar and half part of water. So ice cubes to my glass, some oat milk, and some coffee. For the French toast for Carter, I'm just gonna put some powdered sugar. For my morning snack, I love to do smoothies, and this is frozen strawberries, blueberries, and frozen banana. I'm adding milk, vanilla extract, agave syrup for some sweetness, and just blend this together, and voila, healthy snack. Lunchtime, I'm doing a chicken salmon salad, and the salmon is just because it's some leftovers, so that's why I'm using it. So I'm baking my chicken in some butter, and you can do this without the butter, but yeah, I'm not like on a diet or something. I add the leftover of the salmon, and I just cover this. After a while, I'm adding some mushrooms, and guys, I love to do everything in 1 pan because I'm just lazy. So that's why I'm adding everything in 1 pan. After this, I'm taking some leftover pasta, and I'm reheating this with my mushroom, and I'm covering it again so it can reheat good. Some green salad, and then I'm gonna add the pasta with the mushrooms on top. And after, I'm gonna add the salmon and the chicken. Yummy. So guys, after my lunch, me and Carter had a torta, and that's just another snack. And I had some peanut butter crackers with some banana chips and some honey, and he had some apples. I don't know where the footage is, so we are going to move to dinner, and I'm just using entrecote, and I'm gonna season this and bake it in some butter, and I'm gonna grab a corn on the cob. I'm gonna part it in half because it's too big, and yeah, here you can see my meat, and I'm only using 1 because I'm also making some shrimps, so I didn't want it to be too much. So I'm gonna cut it in strips, and I love meat, and this looks so good, guys. And I don't know where my footage is from my potatoes, but the recipe is gonna be down in the description box. Now in some butter, I'm just gonna bake my shrimps, and I'm just turning them very quick. I'm not letting them too much because otherwise they're gonna be too stiff. So I'm adding white wine here. I use any white wine that is dry I use, and then you will let this just evaporate a little bit so the alcohol goes away. And I just love the taste that wine gives it. So I'm gonna just add my potatoes, and don't forget guys, my potato, the recipe is gonna be just in the description box, and I bake them in the oven. So I literally do my shrimps when everything is done, because the potatoes take longer and the meat is also very quick because I love mine red, and the shrimps is just the easiest and fastest. So bon appetit guys, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.